Hey everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Epson printer showing error 00031? Well, it is a common issue which can be fixed easily. For one-on-one assistance to fix the issue, please call us at the number displayed. The error arises due to a paper jam, outdated printer driver, or a change in printer settings. So, in this video, we'll look into each cause and try to fix them step by step. So let's dive in. Method 1. Check for paper jams. Go to your printer and then open the front cover and lift the scanner unit. Look inside for any jammed paper and slowly take it out. Once that's done, close the scanner unit and the front cover. Now, go to the rear paper cassette and lightly remove the jammed paper. Ensure that papers are being fed properly. If removing the paper jam fixed the issue, please subscribe to our channel. If not, let's update the printer driver. Method 2. Update printer driver. Open your browser and go to Epson's official support website. Scroll down until you see the section that says Search by product name or serial number. Type in your printer's name or serial number, click on Search, and then select your model from the list. Now, you'll be redirected to your printer support page. From here, pick your operating system from the drop-down and click on Go. Next, open the Downloads tab and then expand the Drivers section. Find the latest driver available and click on the Download button. Once the file finishes downloading, open it up. You'll see a confirmations box here. Click on Allow. A welcome window will open. Then go ahead and click on Continue. Read the license agreement and click on Continue. If you're asked to agree to the terms and conditions, click on Agree. When you get the Destination Select screen, choose the destination and click on Continue. On the Installation Type tab, click on Install. A pop-up window might show up asking for your password. Go ahead and type it in. Enter the password and click on Install Software. Now, the installer will start preparing and automatically begin installing everything for you. Once it's done, just click on Close and that's it. Your printer driver is installed and ready to go. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.